Khosla, and now I'm going to tell you that how to disable driver enforcement in Windows 10. Well, in Windows 10, what is happening is that the Windows has by default blocked the usage of drivers that are not signed in by Microsoft itself. So in this video, I will tell you how to disable that feature of Windows 10. So you have to press the window icon, and by pressing the shift key, you have to turn off your Windows 10 and restart it. But while restarting, you have to press the shift key so that we get the featured windows on which we can disable the driver enforcement for Windows 10. So I press the shift icon and I am going to restart my PC. So as I have used the shift key to restart my Windows, the Windows doesn't restart but shows this screen. It says choose an option, turn off your PC, troubleshoot, or continue to exit Windows 10. So I'm clicking on troubleshoot. Now after clicking troubleshoot, it is showing advanced option, and there is a setting called startup settings. So while clicking the startup setting, it says what you want to do. Do you want to enable low resolution? Do you want to enable debugging mode? Do you want to enable boot logging? Do you want to enable safe mode? Do you want to disable driver signature? So it is one, two, three, fourth, fifth option, and there is a sixth option, and there is seventh option. So I have to click on disable driver signature option to disable the driver enforcement in my Windows 10. So I'm clicking to restart. When my Windows 10 restarts, it will it will ask me to choose one of the option to disable or enable. So now my Windows 10 is restarting. And now it is asking so option. The window has not been restarted, but it is showing some options to disable or enable the particular feature of Windows 10. So I'm going to click disable driver signature enforcement. That is the seventh option. Either I have to press F7 from my keyboard or 7 numeric digit from my keyboard. So I am going to press F7. I repeat, F7. So as I have clicked F7, my Windows 10 is again restarting, but now with disabled driver enforcement in Windows 10. So now this rebooted Windows is ready. You can install anything in which Windows 10 was causing problem to install something. So install drivers so that that driver enforcement is now disabled, and I am free to install any new Windows 10 drivers. Okay, thank you very much.